question, we need to show that if the normal process is WSS, then it is SSS. So from this question, what we wish to show that is fx, x1, x2 to xn and t1, t2 to tn equals to fx, x1, x2 to xn, t1 plus c, t2 plus c to tn plus c for any n, t1, t2, tn, and c. So from the question, we know that the process is the normal process. So we can suppose that xt is a normal process. So we can get the formula of fx, x1, x2, xn to t1, t2, tn, which is the reciprocal of the root of 2 pi times the root of determinate c, and then times the e power e to the power of negative 0.5 x minus eta transform, and the reciprocal of c times x minus eta. And in this term, c equals to the expectation of x minus eta times x minus eta transpose, which also equals to the expectation that the determinate xt minus the expectation xt1, which is eta, because of WSS, and to the xtn minus the expectation of xtn, and then times xt1 minus the expectation xt1, times xtn minus the expectation xtn. And after simplify, we can get that the determinant will be rt1 t2 minus eta square to rt1 t2 t1 tn minus eta square, and to rtn tn minus eta square equals to r0 minus eta square to rt1 minus tn minus eta square to rt1 minus tn minus eta square to rtn minus tn minus eta square. So we can simplify this this determinant, and we can get that the final solution, the final result will be c times t1 minus t2, t1 minus t3, and then n minus 1 minus tn, which will be c times ti minus tj for I and j, and I is not equal to j. I and j equals to 1 to 2n. So after that, we can get that fx, x1, x2, xn, t1, t2, tn, which is equals to fx, x1, x2, xn, ti minus tj. And also we need to find which expression can express this term. And we found that fx, x1, x2, xn, t1 plus c, t2 plus c, tn plus c equals to fx, x1, x2, xn, ti plus c minus tj plus c. So after simplify, we can get it is equals to fx, x1, x2, xn, ti minus tj. So we found that these two terms is the same, so we can get the conclusion that fx, x1, x2, xn, t1 plus c, t2 plus c, tn plus c equals to fx, x1, x2, xn, t1, t2, tn. So after get this conclusion, we can show that if the normal process is WSS, then it will be SSS.